Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Shumaila, Dr. Shumaila Baloch from Pakistan, and I'm working as a general surgery resident, second year resident at Liaquat University, Jamshoro in Pakistan. I joined MRCS party, Dr. Rida Harbi, and because I was not sure I'm going to pass MRCS party in first attempt, and I joined this course. This course is such an amazing, and I passed with the 88%. That is unbelievable for me. I prepared for 4 months. I followed all the instructions Dr. Rida said, and the course and everything is so much amazing. And soon I will join Dr. Rida and waiting for it for MRCS Part B or ski exam, and I'm thankful to Dr. Rida for such an amazing course, and this course is highly recommended. For me, it's a highly recommended course. I'm so much thankful to Dr. Rida. Thanks a lot.